Alright, so I got a GoPro here, and I'm gonna try doing some legit videos with this motherfucker. This is not one of them, because I'm just figuring out how to use this fucking thing. So let's go over here, and here's a long bike I'm doing. Should be pretty dope. I don't think I'm gonna run this pipe. It's actually for a different bike I'm doing, but it's a stock frame with a you know, the back half is Harley, and then the front half is like a different backbone, you know, with no buffalo bod, 7/8 down tubes. It's got a 12 over. I think I'm gonna keep that one. I like that. Here's my bike. Bat its bitch around. Now this one here, I'm building for a friend of mine. This bike is all 48. This bitch is fucking evil. Frames molded real fly. 48 frame, motor, transmission, Wassel tank, 4 over offset fork. This thing is tough, just got all the fab done. Everything's bulletproof like I always do it. This should be done in another week or two. Other than that, same old bullshit. Bike market is rough for guys like me right now, so gotta start wrenching again, which is actually a nice change of pace. Shop's a mess because I've been working a million hours and not cleaning it.